Hi everyone, it's Anahata. How are you? Hey, I just wanted to do this video for all of you to invite you to my group, Assisting Frequencies, because I have reached the friend limit on Facebook. And I don't know why they have a limit, but they do. So some of you can't friend me, but you can follow me. But what I want to do is start spreading the word about my group, /Assisting Frequencies. Hey Jermaine, hey Diane, hey Doug, hey Kathy, hey Roseanne, hey everyone. I wanted to do this quick video for you all to take you on a quantum journey to pave the path to transformation of your entire life through the quantum domain. It sounds like a lot, and it is. Hey Karen, how are you? I'm going to first of all get the screen off of me because you don't need to be staring at me on this journey that I'm about to take you on. You can come back and watch it later. You will receive waves of inspiration and information through replay as well. Hey Shane, how are you? All right guys, so let's start by just anchoring in the space. I live in beautiful Southwest Florida. This is my backyard. There is the bay, which we will travel to on our journey together today as well. I want to just set the sacred space and intention for expansion and alignment into the path of least resistance for you today with ease and grace, and a wave of deeper knowing and truths that you already know rising up through this resonance remembrance. And it is so through the gratitude we have in our hearts. Guys, this may not be everyone's cup of tea, so just departure if it is not in accordance with what you came to learn today. Today is especially auspicious because Mercury is sextile Uranus. I know that sounds pretty kinky. But really it just means that today we have an opportunity to expand through conscious knowledge in ways that are going to transform our lives, bringing waves of enlightenment and deeper knowing again into things that you probably already knew. So let's go ahead and expand into what I wanted to tell you all today. And that is, because you are connected, beautiful tribe of birds over there flying. We'll go check them out in a minute. Because you are connected to all things, you have access to all things without having to be physically with them. What this means is, and I'm just going to be showing random things as I travel around with you today, random beautiful things. And you can pull the quantum essence from these things to transform your lives in ways that you may not expect. It'll also just provide a visual backdrop that is pleasing and in alignment with sacred geometry, vortexes of limitless power and information as well. So if you zoom in super close to anything, we are actually just oscillating energy and information, right? Energy and information, energy and information. On a quantum level, we are 99.9% empty space. Now, that space is not empty. It is the fabric of the universe which weaves us all together. We experience ourselves as separate because we have electromagnetic energy fields and gravity and a bunch of things here in our 3D world. But needless to say, you are in a cosmic soup which connects you inextricably to all things. And there is a portal within every molecule. And I call that portal the source point. Now, the source point is basically your unity wormhole, where you can tap into limitless expansion through the connection to anything in the world. This ant, for example, I don't know if you can actually see it. He's very, very tiny. I don't think my camera will zoom in. This ant has a message. This plant has a message. Everything has a message and medicine. based on the definition of what it is. And so I want you to just expand for me for a moment to think about the fact that we are energy interpreters. We are vibration decipherers. We are co-creators, interpreting the vibration we come into contact with, and then responding to it as a creator to orchestrate newness into becoming. So everything that we interpret births a thought, and those thoughts create emotional responses, and those emotional responses magnetize your reality to you. Like with we are in a law of attraction based universe. So we are experiencing the world through our vibrational interpretation, but there is so much being offered in every moment to assist you on your path that you can then activate. And in April of 2015, here's another ant. We'll have to look up totem ant. In April of 2015, I received a massive divine download, during which God spoke to me and said that we have access to all things through our connection to all things without having to actually have the thing present. And thus began my journey of ask, align, allow into the quantum domain. This is the cosmic soup beyond our interpretation, so beyond our physical see, taste, touch, smell, feel of the 3D world. What happened was I was able to go into the quantum domain and understand on a profound level our connectivity to all things, but actually begin to channel the portals for you to access the things in our world that you need on an energetic level. That may sound like French to you, but the long and short end of it is it's a portal to accessing the quantum nuggets of anything. For example, this squirrel here, who's about to run away, is a blending of energy signatures, right? It's a frequency that make that squirrel that squirrel. If you decompose anything in our environment into elements, the periodic table, you can see that we are just a neutron and a proton away from being something totally different. And this gets into alchemy. And basically the energy that was used to create everything we can interpret, all energy signatures. And so as we stare at my Valencia orange tree, we know that Valencia oranges have their own healing qualities and knowledge and wisdom based on their energy signature. And we have been given a bounty of information through the codes woven within each thing. And so the Anahata codes, and this is what I want you to do, is join the group so that we can explore these things together, is basically allowing you to tap into the quantum essence of anything in your environment and even things beyond your environment for the purpose of coming into contact with the quantum components to activate self-healing. That may sound really abstract to you, but I want to give you an example. Let's say your shoulder hurts and you know that there's an herb that's going to assist that. You don't need to go take the herb or find the herb to be able to connect with the energy and information that's needed to activate self-healing. This works on a mental level, emotional level, and everywhere in between, a spiritual level into expansion. And so the Anahata codes put you into connection with the thing you need from the subquantum domain in order to activate self-healing and evolutionary DNA activation. So, hi Sue, darling, come back and watch it later, and it will be here for you. So guys, I'm just going to continue on as we go out to this beautiful park that's in my backyard. Excuse me while I hop the fence. and we'll continue on the journey and the information will filter in later as the bandwidth uploads. So if you would like to join me at the group, Facebook groups / Assisting Frequencies, we will continue on our conversation. I will have a training available soon for Anahata codes so that you can dive into all of this information on a practical level, because this is what I really want to get across, is that you don't have to have the answers. Your magnetism based on your needs is going to draw the thing to you that you need. This is why the Anahata codes are called the law of attraction of energy medicine, because they come to you through the process which was unveiled to me through Source, through Creator, through God, whatever you want to call it, to allow you to instantly find the thing you need to access self-healing, evolutionary DNA, and my camera keeps saying connection going in and out, and that's okay. We're just going to keep going. It will fill in later. I'm going to take you to the water, and with any luck, we'll be able to keep this broadcast going. Don't I live in a gorgeous nook of the world? I can live anywhere, and I chose to live in Southwest Florida on Lemon Bay, and it is stunning. Hi, Luis. So you'll have to go back, Luis, and listen to everything that I just went over, because it's a lot. But you may know, I know you know the codes and have been in my tribe for a while. So guys, everything has an energy signature. It is oscillating energy and information, and through our perception of it and our definition of it over time, there is, on the subquantum level beyond our dimension, a library of nuggets that make that thing, essentially. And so the codes put you in touch with that thing in a way that your energy layers can use to activate dynamic self-healing and evolutionary DNA. I know it's a low connection. Hopefully it will spur out of this in a second. Isn't it so beautiful here? So as we journey on our self-discovery, on our evolutionary path, we come into deciphering knowings that transform our lives. And part of that is woven into the codes. As you come across the ones that you need, you unlock profound insights as to your path. And again, it's the law of attraction of energy medicine, the Anahata codes. So join me in my group / Assisting Frequencies, and we will journey together as I explain and describe all of this magic in a practical way that allows you to leverage the essence of all things as part of you for expansion. And I adore you all so much. I'm going to come to the end of the dock and we'll tune out. Isn't it gorgeous? All right, guys. Love you all so much. We'll talk to you soon. I'll put the link in this feed so that you can head on over to the group. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.